Hello everybody, welcome to iExamBee's Legal Bee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamBee. Embrace the iExamBee learning experience with us, and if you're preparing for any competitive examinations after your law, then you're at the right place. Do check out our online courses available on iExamBee's website. We cater preparation for various examinations like SEBI Grade A Legal Officer, RBI Grade B, IBPS SO Law Officer and various other examinations. At our website, you can check out the demo of these courses. कोई भी डाउट्स या क्वेरीज हैं यू कैन रीच आउट टू अस बाय राइटिंग अस एन ईमेल ऑन hello@iexamby.com. Call us on the number 9205524028 and reach out to us in the comment section of this video as well. We will definitely try to reply you as soon as possible. Stay tuned to Legal Bee with all the recent updates relating to examinations, notifications, strategic preparation videos, content and current legal affairs. Today I'm going to discuss with you all about the very recent legislation that has come into force on 21st of June 2024, the Public Examinations Prevention of Unfair Means Act 2024. This is the anti-cheating law which has come into existence, which is going to prohibit cheating and make it as a punishable offense specifically, and the allied illegal activities relating to cheating have been made punishable under this legislation. Amidst the cancellation of various examinations going on conducted by NTA, first NEET UG had come into picture and now UGC NET of June has been cancelled. So this legislation has been notified by the central government yesterday only, that is on 21st of June. This has been made enforceable. The legislative history of this bill is that it was introduced by Ministry of Personal, Public Grievances and Pensions Ministry in 9th Feb itself in the parliament. It was passed by both the houses. It received presidential assent on 12th of Feb and it got enforced by a specific government notification for the same on 21st of June 2024. Now this has become an act. अब इस एक्ट के हिसाब से ये सारे ऑफेंसेस को स्पेशली पनिशेबल कर दिया गया है. वी हैव अ स्पेशल लेजिस्लेशन गवर्निंग दिस नाउ एंड नाउ दिस हैज बिकम अ रियली stringent affair. UGC NET that was conducted in an offline mode this time. It is generally conducted in the CBT mode, and this time, this year only, UGC NET in June, 18 June it was conducted. It was conducted in a pen and paper mode. पेन एंड पेपर मोड में इसे कंडक्ट कर दिया गया. एक ही दिन में सारे शिफ्ट्स कंडक्ट करके इसको कंप्लीट कर दिया गया था. बट देन द वेरी नेक्स्ट डे इट वाज द नोटिस वाज इशूड बाय द एनटीए दैट इट इज अ कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड सिचुएशन एंड नाउ इट हैज बीन कैंसल्ड. मे बी देयर विल बी अ री टेस्ट ऑफ दिस अटेम्प्ट इटसेल्फ. लेट अस सी. नीट यूजी एग्जाम के बारे में भी मैंने आपसे पिछले वीडियो में बात की थी दैट सुप्रीम कोर्ट डिसीजन इज स्टिल पेंडिंग. इट इज गोइंग टू बी हर्ड soon in the month of July. Before that, we are going to have a retest for the candidates who had got grace marks. This retest is to be conducted on 23rd of June from 2 to 5:30 p.m. in pen and paper mode again. And Bihar investigation is Bihar SIT probe is still investigating the case about the leak. सो दिस इज समथिंग विच इज गोइंग ऑन. हम लोग सोशल मीडिया पे ये न्यूज़ को काफ़ी दिन से देख रहे हैं, नीट और यूजीसी नेट दोनों ही. एंड अमिस्ट ऑल दिस द गवर्नमेंट हैज़ नोटिफाइड दिस पर्टिकुलर लेजिस्लेशन विच इज गोइंग टू प्रोहिबिट चीटिंग completely in public examinations. However, the Public Examinations Prevention of Unfair Means Act does not have a retrospective operation. Retrospective operation means 21st June से पहले जो भी acts हुए हैं उस पर ये applicable नहीं होगा. This will make it an offence only for the activities and the offences that have taken place after 21st June 2024. So इसका retrospective operation तो नहीं है. So जो भी exams cancel हो चुके हैं उस पर ये apply नहीं हो सकता. Even if there is a leak, those examinations will not come under the purview of this particular legislation. So the government has immediately notified this. So this is something which has to be known by everyone, that amidst all this, the legislation has been notified by the central government. Now let us see what happens in case of UGC NET examination and NEET UG examination at the same time. And we are also aware of this particular legislation. I would suggest everyone to go through the provisions of this legislation and be known to the provisions, what are the punishments prescribed and so on. Stay tuned to Legal Bee for all such kind of recent news, legal updates, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is specific legal channel of iExamPay. Prepare 50% faster with us. Download our app from the Google Play Store and check out all the course access available on our app as well. We have an offline course access available on our app. So do check out all the features and do reach out to us in case of any queries. Have a nice day.